Alright, welcome to McBoss Capital live stream here. My name is Michael Chu. Today is Friday, October 3rd, 2025, 8:53 a.m. Mountain Time, so almost 9 a.m., 11 a.m. Eastern Time. So the market is actually up for most all the index here. Nasdaq is up 0.1, Dow is up 0.9, S&P is up 0.3, um, and we have volume down today. So what that usually means is we don't see too many stocks on the move. And let me just count here how many are there, because I only can see 20 and 18 stocks, so not quite 20. So again, volume is dwindling as the day progress, and not much volume today, so not many stocks on the move. Pretty yeah, I would say pretty quiet day today overall. But market is still up though, so let me go to the index for a second. So market has been moving up nicely since this pullback here on this is Nasdaq QQQ. Um, make new highs. Most of the index make new high, and right now it looks like we're just digesting here. So not too bad. Like it's just digesting. Here's the 10-day line. So not too extended either. And this morning we are trading in the middle ground. So again, um, nothing too bad here. But again, volume is lower today, so less support for some growth stocks for sure. Let's go to SPY here. SPY looks a lot stronger. Look at that. It's trading at new highs for the day. So this one is still going. So Nasdaq is the weakest. SPY is doing really well. Dow also doing really well here. Wow, look at that gap up right there. That is impressive. So this market is still humming pretty strong. And here's the nice move here. Look at this move. Wow. So that's Dow. And then finally we'll look at Russell 2000 ETF here. Also gap up, also to new high. This one is the strongest today, up 1.6%. So this one is making, strong highs right now, new time highs. 5-minute chart also showing strength. So Dow and Russell are doing really well. S&P doing pretty good too. And Nasdaq just lagging a little bit because Nasdaq had a good day yesterday. Um, so yeah, overall market is really healthy in terms of the indexes, right? And then looking at growth stocks, it's not too bad. There's like I said, there's about if I look at my list here on the market trend, that's about 30. Where is consistent this week? 35, 36% in uptrend right now. So there's definitely still stocks moving, and then there's about 40 to 60 stocks here that are making new highs on each day. So overall, it's still pretty healthy. There's some stocks working, but yeah. So it's not like super negative or anything. Um, let's look at the growth stocks list here. With Shopify, let's take a quick look. Huge volume today. I don't know if there's some news, but it looks like it's coming out today. It's not on my list, but it is. It just have a little bit lower quarter next one. But after that, it looks pretty good. So if you're willing to foresee that, then this next quarter up, it looks pretty good going forward. So maybe, you know, the market is anticipating this, so it looks pretty good. That's Shopify. Reddit. Reddit has been in downtrend. It's trying to yeah, it didn't really do much this morning. It just kind of fall back down again, so it's just not working this stuff. Micron, this one's still going. I mean, all the data storage are just doing so phenomenal. I mean, WBC, There you go. Keep going. STX, Seagate. This one's still going. PSTG. This one's starting to bounce. So all those stocks are doing pretty well. ESLT, defense stock, finally starting to break out. So it's starting to move. So that might be a good thing. So that's the AM MST. On the chip side, let's look at Nvidia. Holding tight after a breakout, never even came back. That is quite phenomenal. So that looks pretty good. Broadcom, this one tried to come out yesterday but then pull back, so some weakness there. So not the best in that sense. AMD, this one also starting to come back up yesterday, so that looks pretty good. Today giving back just a slightly here. TSM, this one continues. So the chips area is good. Let's just quickly look at AMS. This is not on my list, but looks like it's trying to go as well. Futu, this is Chinese stock. It's been very volatile. Look at yesterday, it came out and then it just reversed completely by end of day. So this is stuck in a downtrend now and below all the moving averages. So this is not a good sign. We'll look at gold at the end here. BAP, Credit Corp, NVMI, WDC, ARGX, EXPE, Expedia. Making a move right now. Look at this one coming back above the 10-day, pretty strong. So potential entry point. Citigroup. This one is still stuck on the downtrend here, so a little bounce after hitting the red line here. So 50-day. PSIX, BE. BE is not on my list, but it is a very strong stock in the last few months here. And it's been moving again after this big drop, hitting new high today. Gil, Eero, so the mining ore stuff still very strong. Here we go, making new high this morning. Gold stocks, let's look at gold price. D, slightly up. So again, moving up nicely. We talked about yesterday how the market, the gold stock dropped, but a lot of stocks, no, the gold price dropped, but a lot of gold stock actually hit their 10-day. You can see the gold price didn't. Today, the gold price is up, but I also see some gold stocks down. So there's a little bit mixed picture right now happening in the gold area. So we can take a look at them. But a lot of them reversed yesterday, so that was the good news. So it's not over because it seems like it's over, but it didn't want to, but it reversed a lot of them. So here's AEM. You see it closed in the middle range yesterday. Today it's just slightly up, not much. AGI. So this one a little bit weak. It closed in the middle range, but today it couldn't follow through. So again, we're seeing some mixed picture here. We have AU. AU was able to close strong yesterday despite a down day on the gold price, and today it kind of followed through as well. So this one is strong. Barrick trying to bounce back from the low yesterday. Today is just holding really tight. So nothing negative, but also nothing good, just neutral kind of thing. Okay. CDE. This one also bounced back today, kind of up a little bit. Oil and gas refining is working. CVI here, making new highs. Looks pretty good. Let's keep going with the gold. FNB also rebound halfway yesterday. Today kind of holding tight. Gold field so closing in the upper half. Today down just slightly. HL, this one looked a little bit weak because today it just couldn't hold. So McEwen here closed yesterday in the half range. Today it was able to follow through. OR, this one also bounced back a little bit. Today just holding a little bit down, just a little bit, just down a little bit. So again, some slight different mixed signals on the gold area. Let's jump to silver for a second. So silver also bounced back today. Yeah, very same pattern as gold yesterday, where it just come back up from the bottom. So we'll look at PAS. This one closed in the upper range today. It's just down slightly. SVM. This one is strong. This one closed at the top range yesterday, and today it followed through. Rand Gold closed at the upper range. Today it's just slightly near neutral here. Another oil and gas related stock. This one is starting to make a move. Rig. So this one came up pretty strong, then have a big down day here. Not sure what the news is. There's probably some news there. And then so far it's been able to bounce back. Yeah. SD, oil and gas. This one is trying to move right now. It's near the trend line. Very volatile as you see recently. So I will wait until it clear this resistance line better. SGML, lithium. Lithium has been strong lately. With some of the news around investments on LAC. I think that's the stock. Lithium America. So this one has been flying. But this one is just kind of following a little bit of that news, I think. SSRM here, gold. This one looked a little bit weaker than others here. It closed at the top range yesterday, but today down slightly. WPM also in the up at the top range yesterday. Today just holding tight here. So some of these are definitely not showing high relative strength because gold is up today, but this stock is not up much today. So that's why the relative strength is going down. So there's some mixed behavior there. But nonetheless, the gold, silver area has been doing well. Financials, there's a few stocks moving here. AMRK. This one is also precious metals related. So this one is like, trying to come out right now. But yeah, overall, this area hasn't done well, the financials lately. So that's the problem. Even today, I feel like it's lagging a little bit, even though the Russell is up so much. UPS, this one bounced pretty strong today, but it's been weak lately. So again, I don't know if I trust this bounce. So that the financial is just overall not as strong. Like, I mean, a lot of fintech firms have been hit hard lately. Look at that rejection at the 10-day. SoFi has no bounce whatsoever. So it's just not looking good. Upstart, this is at the bottom range as well. This is all in downtrends now. Let's go back to the top here. Look at tech first. Did we go to the tech? Some of them. Audio eye. So there's some laggers that are making moves right now, which is kind of interesting. Audio eye right here. Trying to come out right now. Okay, let's take a quick look at ANET. This one, this one has been also like have a strong resistance line here. Yesterday you can see it just got rejected, trying to come out as well from the top there. Let's take a look at App Loving here. This one is starting to pull back. So we're at the 10-day. Whether it will bounce, I have no idea. We'll see. Palantir. This one, I think there has some negative news about some contract, something like that. I can't remember. But yeah, today it took a tumble, 4%. So this breakout has kind of failed so far in a sense, right? It's not like down a lot, but it hasn't moved. It hasn't worked. So let me see here what else we have. Credo is also got rejected here. So trying to come back out, but it just doesn't have momentum. So again, this is problematic, I think. Reddit, right? Same thing here. Just no power whatsoever, like to come back. Those two stocks might be done. Oh yeah, here's Duolingo. There's another stock that is kind of lagging, starting to move right now. Whether it work, I'm not sure. So this is first time it fell, came back in. This is second time now trying to come back out. So we'll see. The one stock that got a lot of attention is FICO. They provide a FICO score, and the government might start to use them or something. So that really uh, propelled the stock pretty high here. Um, Manpower. This one is still moving, so that looks good. NATL. This one has been consolidating, trying to make a move right now. So it looks pretty good. This is a nice solid run right here. Um, yeah, so I think that's pretty much it for financial. Sorry, text. Dash here. Let's take a look. And this one is trading really tight. This is a cup with handle, came out and then came, pull back once more. Right now it's just trading really tight, not doing much. So that is not the best you want to see. Let's take a quick look at Tesla. Tesla had a huge reversal yesterday, even though they had good delivery numbers. So it's basically selling the new style situation. Today falling through, so that's not good. It's below 10-day now, so that's not a good thing. Industrials today, there's not much happening. Let's take a look at BRT here. That has been a recent mover. Let's see where it's at. It's still holding tight. Well, this is a nice breakout right there. Um, yeah, and then health. Health was really strong on Wednesday. Today, some of them are continuing their run. So let's take a look here. A Agilon, Agilon still going. Aspirion, this one had a huge move today. It did reverse though. It was really up a lot, 12% this morning, but now it's only 6%. But it break out and yeah, it's a little bit extended right now. Lily, like even some of the big caps are moving. Lily, look at this. There's a nice breakout right here, holding so tight here, and then make new high again. This is definitely strong. Prime, this one has been not bad. Breaks out, pull back slightly, and then yesterday had a huge run. Um, Not sure if there's news, but it's definitely a huge move there. Taurus, this one is also moving today. Then we have TEM. TEM continue to bounce back here. Looks pretty good. Yeah, so overall, there's stocks that are moving. There's no doubt about that. Um, Whether how much more can this market go? Hard to say. But we have to go with the momentum. Today, take a final look at the index here. QQQ. Just look at this. Just trading in the middle ground. Not giving back too much. SPY just hit new intraday high not that long ago. So still near the top. DIA. This one is starting to come back down a little bit after a strong run this morning. And IWM similar, right? So again, those Dow and Russell is definitely very strong today, making new highs here. Same thing with Dow, and even SPY was making new highs. So it looks so three index making new high. Um, yeah, today is Friday. I'll be coming out with some videos this weekend. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a good weekend.